All right, so we are heading upstairs looking for more of our cell organelles. All right, here's another one. This is cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is just kind of hanging, dangling there in the air. So cytoplasm in a cell is what's going to be in between all the other organelles. It's not necessarily empty space, but it's the space, in this case, taken up by the air. In a cell, it is space taken up by the cytoplasm, which is kind of like a jelly-like substance. Hey, there's Tink. Hi, Tink. All right, we're looking for some more. Over here, you're going to find some mitochondria. You'll notice it is by the electrical outlet. There are more mitochondria all over the place. So think about what comes out of an electrical outlet. Energy. Energy that makes a lot of things in the house work. So mitochondria in a cell are responsible for providing the energy to make everything else in the cell work. And the kitties are off. Hi. We have more cell wall, of course. We know what happens if our cell wall disappears. We've got more cytoplasm filling up all the space between our organelles. Oh, we're about to enter the chloroplast, but before we do, let's take a look at one of our vacuoles. So this vacuole is our pantry. So if we look at our pantry, we will find all sorts of random things. We've got food, we've got appliances, we have Tupperware, we have cat food. And so a vacuole in a cell is exactly like a pantry. It is a place where you can store all sorts of kinds of things. We've got some more vacuoles coming up here, but right now we are going to head into the chloroplast, also known in our house as the kitchen. So the chloroplast, if you remember from 5th grade, uses the energy of the sun to transform carbon dioxide and water into a sugar and oxygen. So I'd like to think that in my kitchen I transform all sorts of things and food into other things for us to eat. So I like to think of the whole kitchen as our chloroplast. There's another part of our cell membrane, which is a window. So think about what a window can do. That is also what a cell membrane can do, can let things in and out. We have more mitochondria. We have a lot of mitochondria. Lots of sources of energy. There's another one, kind of blurry, but there it is. We've got, let's see, a few more hiding, I think. Cell membrane, more cell membrane, our sliding glass door. Could also be more cell membrane, something that opens and closes, lets things in and out. We do have another vacuole here. This time it's not our pantry, it is our trash can. So our vacuole can not only hold, good things like food in our pantry, but it can be a place where we dispose of things. Holy cow, kitties. Speaking of kitties, we do have one last vacuole down here on the floor. This vacuole holds water. So vacuoles in cells can hold water. They can hold trash and waste. Vacuoles can also hold useful things like food. So that is our quick analogy of how my house I don't know what the cats would be. I don't know what organelle you guys could be. But that is how our house is kind of like, a cell. So, I'm going to go over what I'd like you to work on for the week. So I'm going to go and find a seat. And I'm going to go over your assignments for the week with you. All right, so I'm going to go back to my Smart Notebook. So here you go. So your learning target for the week and into next week is I can explain the parts of a cell and explain their function. So this week's assignments. So today is Monday. Your assignment today is to watch these two awesome videos that I made, part 1 and part 2. So you're on part 2. So as soon as this video is over, you are done for today. Woohoo! Tuesday and Wednesday. I want you to read the 2 readings that I've posted, answer the questions, by importing it into Notability and submitting it back to Schoology. So let me show you where that's going to be. So open up Schoology, make sure you're going through ClassLink. You are going to go to your science class, and there is an orange folder that is already made that says March 30th through April 3rd. Cell organelles, animals versus plant cells. Open that up. You're going to see Monday through Wednesday work. Click that. Open. There is an awesome cell organelle song that you can watch for inspiration. Then the 2 readings. One is animal cells reading and questions. The other one is plant cells reading and questions. Just like the experimental design that you guys worked on before spring break, you're going to open these up. Click the PDF. You're going to go up to the top right corner where you see the box with the up arrow, and you're going to export it to Notability. There it is. Send it to Notability. You might want to rename it. I'm going to create a new note. I'm going to change my note title to something more than, I don't even know how to pronounce that. I'm going to change it to Animal Cell Reading. Done. Go back. Import it. Done. Sent to Notability. I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the same thing with the plant cells reading and questions. I want you to work on that on Tuesday and Wednesday. Upload those back to Schoology. The assignments are already there. On Thursday, I would like you to work with the Quizlet that I've posted to practice identifying the organelles and their functions. I also want you to go ahead and check out the extra fun folder. All sorts of cool stuff waiting for you in there. So the Quizlet practice, all you got to do is click the link. And it should be doing something, but it's not. Oh, I got to click it again. There we go. You got to click it again. So I would suggest that you do the flashcards and work your way through the flashcards like I am doing right now. I would suggest that you work on, let's see, you could click the test, you can click play, you can do matching. You can log in with your Google if you want. But go ahead and work your way through the Quizlet and practice a little bit. If you go back, oops, keep going back, go back, go back, and you go into the purple extra fun stuff folder, you're going to find a ton of things. So there are cell organelle cartoons. There are videos about some of the different organelles. There is, let's see, really dorky songs that you can sing about the different cell organelles. So all sorts of things in here to help you have a little fun, put a little smile on your face as you learn about the cell organelles. Now, on Friday, oops, sure, let's change the color, why not? On Friday, there will be a Kahoot and some other practice with labeling and matching coming your way. And we may plan on doing a little Schoology quiz on Monday or Tuesday just to see how well you've done learning about your cell organelles, identifying them, and explaining what they do. But don't worry about that. we'll kind of hit that point later on this week. All right, so that is it. I will be online from 8 to 10 o'clock every single day. I will probably be checking the teacher help desk and Schoology messages and my email on and off all day, every day. But I will definitely be there between 8 and 10. Let me know if you need help. Let me know if this is too much. Just post and say hi. I would love to hear from each and every one of you. All right, well, good luck, and I hope to be talking to you all or messaging you all really soon. Have a good rest of the day. Oh, I just took a picture of myself. That's not what I was supposed to do. All right, see you later.